Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add Facebook reviews to your Shopify website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is our Facebook reviews. So you want to click here, sign up for free. Now when you want to sign up with Facebook or Gmail or normal mail is up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, when you're going to be in L-Site, you want to write in the search Facebook reviews and just click here Facebook reviews. And now you can choose the carousel or slider or grid, really up to you. I'm going with a normal reviews widget. Let's continue with the template. Right here, you want to contact with your Facebook. This is just a tutorial, so I'm going to leave it with L-Site. But you just want to connect the Facebook, that's it, right? So we have a layout here, and then you can like list settings, header settings that you can add, and some filters here like number of reviewers displayed. This is important. Let's go like with 5. That's good. And we can go like only positive or all reviews. And then you can like style here the colors, and also what do you want to actually have in your review. Like I don't want to have, I don't know, Facebook icon, right? Or date. Let's click now save. Right after do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise. Now when you got it, let's copy the code here. And what you want to do is just scroll down below to the description, not the description, but here on a home page, and add a section, custom content, select. Now right here, let's delete this, and let's delete this, add a content, custom HTML, and paste the code. Let's just wait until it loads. Let's change the container width to 100% to center it to the middle. And this is pretty much it how it works. Any website, you're gonna have it like right there. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.